Welcome to practice number 8. In this practice number 8, we will be modeling this piece in here. So let's open Freecad, empty file, create body, create sketch, choose the plane from here, and let's go back to the drawing. Now, how I would approach modeling a piece like this is I would think, how would they manufacture this? Now, they would probably have first, they will have a block, and then afterwards, they would drill these holes onto the block, and then they would probably make these cuts in here, and in the end they would fillet these, or they would fill it and make the cuts. I don't know, but this is how I would think of it. Let's go to FreeCAD. We have in here. Let's model the block 100, 220, 80. Center the rectangle. Click to the center. 220, 100. Right click, exit the tool. Fully constrained. Close it. Pad it. I will pad it symmetric because I want it symmetric in the diameter. And we said the height is 80. Okay, we are in here. Then I would make the holes 30, 30. Just like in the factory, they would probably make the holes. Create on the, choose the plane, create a sketch, circle from there, first circle, second circle on the line, and we said it's 30 and 40 and 40. So basically, if this is the middle midpoint, 70, 70. Okay. So, but first I will click on this dot and click on this line and make them constraint symmetric. And now the dimension is exactly the same. Now I will put the dimension in here using D from the keyboard, 70. Now they are symmetric. Then we have the diameter. We said 30. Click on this, click on this, make them equal. Now this is also 30. Close it, pocket, through all, and we are here. Then, then in the factory, they would probably make the cuts in here. So we have a cut in the middle, 30, 90, and sorry, 40, 40, 90. And in the other side, we have 30, 90. Okay, click on here, create a sketch. First one we said, let's choose a center of the rectangle. And we said 90, 40, right click. Now click on the dot, click on the line, see from the keyboard, and they are here. Then we need external geometry. Click on here and click on this dot, click on this line, C. That's the first. Then we need the other two, which are rectangle, 90 and 30 here. And we need a second one, which is also 90 and 30. Right click. We need external geometry to connect these two rectangles. Click on here. Now choose this dot and this dot. See from the keyboard, connected. This dot and this dot. See from the keyboard, fully constrained. Everything is okay. Close it. These are our sketches. Pocket, through all, like this. Now we are here. That's what they would probably do in the factory. In the end, the last part is the radius 40, radius 40. So how I would make this? Now there are two ways. You can sketch it just like I did in the part 7 practice, or you can use the fillet tool, but there is one thing that you need to know using the fillet tool. First, let's choose all these corners. Choose all these, and I will change this to Blender because I'm more familiar with that. This one and this one. Now we have all of these chosen. Okay, fill it from here. Now take a look. I will repeat this lesson. If I put 35, it was in the drawing, it's 40. But if I put 35, everything is okay. The fillets come, everything's fine. 36, 37, 38, 9, everything is fine. If I put 40, and in that situation, it would become a full circle, an exact and precise circle. It will give me an error. Take a look. Boom, an error. It doesn't work. For some reason, this doesn't work. Now, if I want it exactly 40.00, I would have to make a sketch in here and then cut it. Also make a sketch in here and cut it. But this is also good. As long as it's 39.99, look, it works. Fine. And 39.99 is accurate enough for our practice in here. But this is a good way to know it. It's a good thing to know. And we are ready. Thanks for watching.